Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make Subway creamy Italian sauce. Hit it! Alright, well thanks for joining us today. If this is your first time joining us, please do me a favor, go down to the corner, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that little notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, well you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make Subway creamy Italian sauce. So let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We are going to start out with about a quarter cup of mayonnaise, about a tablespoon of milk, 1 tablespoon of cider vinegar, half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of basil, 1/8 of a teaspoon of rosemary, a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, about a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper. Let's start mixing it up. Alright, as always, get a bowl big enough for your ingredients, and then just start putting them in the bowl. Start out with our mayonnaise, our milk, then we're going to put in our seasonings. Got our basil, our rosemary, the sugar, the garlic, black pepper, oregano, and then we're going to put the cider in last. And then we're just going to mix this all up. I'm going to use my whip. We'll whip this up. We're going to put this into a display, take some great photos of it for social media, lay that in with some music, and then we're going to come back and give this a try. So enjoy the music, enjoy the pictures. That was a beautiful photo shoot. Let's give this sauce a try here and see what it tastes like. I got a little bit on the cracker here. It looks good. It's so thick. It just smells fantastic. That acidity from the vinegar with that mayonnaise, it's really good with all those different Italian herbs and seasoning in there. You've got the sugar in there that kind of tones it down as well. And the milk, of course, makes it creamy. The mayonnaise is doing its job, being the one that blends it all together. A little bit of the ham. I've never had this on anything from Subway, but I think I'm going to give it a try next time. This is very good. Subway creamy Italian sauce. Hey, I appreciate you watching today. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to check out the description box on your way out. Not only does it contain the recipe for this show, but it also has a bunch of groovy links. I have a gourmet seasoning shop on Etsy and also have a cookbook on sale. Those links are down there. Don't forget to check out the playlists I've got down there for how to create a cooking show on YouTube, and also a playlist link for how to improve your channel and help it grow. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already, and then make sure you share this video with everyone that you know. Take care of yourself. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.